Welcome friends. Today we are here together to discuss about how digitalization and in specific artificial intelligence and machine learning can help us to cope with disruption. Disruption is a change, an abrupt change in the value chain, and it throws up very strange situations in our business and how to deal with these strange situations. Capacity to deal with strange situations, unforeseen situations, is an index of intelligence. And in a disruptive situation, we need to quickly add some more intelligence at the point of dealing. One way to do this is to use artificial intelligence, right? Because today we are not merely looking at defending ourselves against intelligence disruption, but rather to be able to celebrate disruption as a means of gaining crucial business advantage. So to go out and dance in the rain. What is intelligence? Intelligence contains actually two components. One is knowledge, which is a collection of facts, and a reasoning, which are rules with which we manipulate these facts and arrive at conclusions. Now, this uh, intelligence can be programmed into a machine. Now, learning is a means to enhance the amount of data and refine the rules with experience. So, this is machine learning. So, the combination of these two can go on increasing intelligence. We have to look at artificial intelligence as an extension of human intelligence to be able to process information and to cope with strange situations more effectively and efficiently, right? So now, why do we look for artificial intelligence? There is enough human intelligence. No, there is not enough human intelligence because it cannot be brought to bear at every point of application at the time where it is actually needed. Therefore, we want to use AI. And AI, like every other machine, brings its own benefits. That is, machines don't get tired, machines don't take vacations, machines don't fall sick, and so on and so forth. So all these traditional benefits are also applicable for AI and make a strong case for use. Where can I use artificial intelligence? AI has a potential to help us in every work, whatever we want to do. The CPUs are becoming so small and computational power is becoming so cheap. Telecommunication with IoT is very easy. Therefore, we can distribute this intelligence all over into every simple small gadget as well. So therefore, it gets more and more used in various diverse applications, starting with, let us say, stock market, share dealing by doctors in medical diagnosis, by lawyers in building up case studies, etc., etc. But also in face recognition for security purposes, for navigation aid systems, for let us say weather forecasting, monsoon prediction, for example, or some more violent events like hurricanes or storms or something where it can save lives, right? So we are basically looking at wherever there's huge amount of data and many combinatorial possibilities arising out of it. So there we can use artificial intelligence to help the humans. Let's come back to disruption. We are in disruption. Now, how does it help in disruption? Now, one of the main things which comes across is now that the demand patterns are changing, supply chains are changing, every customer has the right to feel that he is at the center of the universe, of your universe. Your success depends on making him feel that he is in your center of the world. But for you, success comes when there are a million customers and you can make each one of them individually feel that he is at the center of your universe. So this is the trick. And how do you do that? You have to create a million clones of yourself, let me say, a million digital twins who all share your intelligence and who are faithful to your thought process. This is done by bots which have inherited your intelligence. This is the big utility of artificial intelligence in a very, very simple manner, right? But otherwise, you are looking at reaction to disruption, to capitalize on disruption. So you are looking to improve your customer centricity. You are looking to improve your operational excellence. That means the speed at which you manufacture, the cost at which you manufacture, and the quality of your product or service, right? And More importantly, to grab new markets, you have to be able to innovate faster. You have to go through the innovation cycle ever more quickly. So here digitalization helps you. Now let us come to the close at home topic of COVID. At the moment, we are pretty obsessed with COVID, and looks like it's going to persist for some more time. So one of the big problems of starting after a lockdown is to deal with shortage of skills. How can AI help here? AI can be the receptacle into which a senior operator can deposit all his knowledge, all his capability, and this can be distributed to many junior operators at the point of work, sitting in his pocket, perhaps in a smartphone or something, and which will handhold him and guide him at every point during the operations in a context sensitive manner to help to solve problems. Right? Now, in that case, then, how does this human establish himself as different from a machine? Human brings other skills, those of social interaction, of give and take, of kindness, generosity, typically human skills. Most important of them is intuition, the ability to arrive at a solution without having to go through individual steps of calculation. Thank you.